Hi, what I'd like to show you today is my microwave that went bad. Now it is a built-in microwave that can also be used as a tabletop microwave. So this is the foot on the built-in microwave. As you can see, it has a threaded area where a screw can go in through the sheet metal. All four of the feet have this because it never was used as a tabletop. It was a built-in wall oven microwave. Now the new one that I got is from a different model, but it's the same dimensions. But it was sent, as you can see, with no insert. So I have to somehow attach this thing back in the wall, having no insert to attach it with. So what I'm going to show you is how to put an insert in. I got these inserts from Menards, local store, and they cost about $4. Steel threaded inserts. They're also called rivnuts or rivet nuts. Now mine actually, I thought it was an 8 by 32, but actually it's a little bit bigger than that. It's a little bit bigger than a 1/4 inch diameter. It's actually this 10 size, that's the diameter, and then 24 is the threads per inch. So I'm using those, and I found a way to do it by watching other websites especially. What you need to do is get a hardened steel. Menards did not have that. I had to go to Lowe's to find that, and that is this, a grade 8 10/24 1.5" screw. Now what this does is turn so that the threaded insert will collapse on the back side of the sheet metal. It's strong enough to do that. I used some just regular screws and found that they just sheared off. But this was at Lowe's for at $1.19, I believe, for a package of 2, and it works just fine. You have to put a hex wrench in the top of it to hold on to it, but it doesn't have to be very long. It just has to be strong enough with this grade 8 steel to hold up to the force when you turn the nut. So you also need some lock washers. If you don't have those, then the thing will actually spin around and you'll never get anywhere with it. You put the any kind of nut will do. It doesn't have to be anything special. I couldn't find anything better than just a stainless nut, which is pretty soft, but it's good enough. Threads are through, and you're up next to the nut, and you're going to, I'm going to flip this microwave around so I can get to the other side of it. Okay, so now we have the microwave up where I can actually rotate the thing around. There goes the threaded steel insert. I want steel in here. I know there is an aluminum one also, but I'd rather have steel because it's going to be stronger. Now what I'm going to do is bring just the regular hex wrench up here, tighten the bolt, and the whole thing is sticking out. Now I will take, I don't have the right size just regular wrench, so I'm using this adjustable wrench, and then I'm going to hold on. I can't do this, I don't have enough hands. I'm going to hold on to this and then turn the adjustable wrench, and it will pull the threaded insert back and form a lip, and it will be solid threads that I can screw into. So I'll start doing that. I don't have any way to show it while I'm doing it, I don't think. I'll just kind of set it here and you might be able to see some of it. Now we're at the point where it has expanded somewhat and it won't pull out anymore, but it has not gotten tight. As you can see, it still wiggles around. So you need to try to hold it where the base in there, which is inside the lock nut, is flat against the sheet metal, so that when it does come up, it hits uniformly and not really seals all around, but has a good tightness all around and loose in some spot. Getting tight. I can feel there is no play in the thing. It's not wiggling around as before. So therefore I can remove this nut. Just take it out. I'm gonna need another hand for this, so I'll put the camera down again. Okay, now it's coming out. And now we see what we have. Take the hardened steel bolt out, and there we have, not too pretty looking but effective, 10 by 24 threaded insert, and it works, and it's not moving anywhere. So this is what I wanted. Now I can mount my microwave. What I did buy was this Surebonder quick thread, it's called, but I read some reviews, and the reviews say it's okay for something aluminum but not for steel. So I'm going to sell it, I think, back on eBay, or see if the person I bought it from will take a return. Anyway, I hope this helps, and it's really pretty simple. You do need that lock washer. If you were to buy an inexpensive lock washer, it only lasted one rivet, each washer. So if you get some grade 8 lock washers like these are, they had these at Home Depot. You see it is split grade 8 yellow zinc plated washers. If you can see that or not. You can see my focus.